We listen to our beta users, and Autotel Seminar is now more than just the best automatic replay service out there. You can actually host your own live conference calls and teleseminars straight through the Autotel Seminar platform with your own unique phone number, your own unique PIN code, and attendee PIN code, where you can host your own live calls anytime you want, any time of the day, with up to 1,000 people on each call currently. You've got your own host controls, so you can go there and manage your call any way you want. Switch to presentation mode, record your call, do a bunch of really cool things through this Autotel Seminar platform, once again, for a live call. So if you want to call in and record a call to then be replayed automatically through our system, this is how you do it. If you want to have an actual live teleseminar where you're on there live with the audience, you can do it through this platform. And one really cool feature that we added in because our beta users asked for it and we felt it was a great feature is the automatic recording service. So if you're on your live conference line and you push *1 to record your conference and you push *1 at the end to end the recording, we automatically port that recording into your recordings tab, where you can then download that MP3 recording. You can then take that MP3 recording and put it into an automated teleseminar call right away. You can reuse that recording as many times as you want. It's now in your recordings tab for your use and download. That's the new Autotel Seminar live conference call platform. It's going to be upgraded a heck of a lot more, and we're really happy to introduce this to our new members and to our beta users.